Lanisha Show. Hey, Lanisha, so you like eating poop?
I do not. That is not on my top 10 to-do list. That's not even on my bucket list. That's nasty.
Yeah.
That's nasty.
What if I put it in pill form?
No. Again.
What?
No, again. What about you? Would you take some pills made of poop?
Well, I don't know. I mean, I if it were to help me in some way, if I had some kind of an infection.
Which brings us to our story regarding pills made from poop.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, actually, they've always had out medication that had fecal matter in it. It was just a situation where they had taken, the fecal matter and taken all the bad stuff out of it, and then gave it to a person to treat serious infections in their respiratory system.
Right.
But now it's in pill form. So now it's easier to take. There is no smell. If people are thinking there's a smell to this, there is no smell, funny smell.
Well, it's because it's not really, the pure poop.
No, but it is made from poop now.
It's what you do because you get this infection. So the idea is that from like a family member who is healthy, so you get a stool sample from the family member and it goes to a lab and they take out bacteria.
Right, the bad stuff in there.
Well, the bacteria. So it's not like you're eating, you're not chomping on big old, stick of poop. Like
Nice.
a Lou Malnati's pizza or something like that.
Oh, that's not a... okay, never mind.
Yeah, what they do is then with the bacteria is they put it in some heavily coated gel caps,
Yes.
basically. You swallow it, and ultimately the gel caps are designed not to dissolve until they get to your intestines.
Yeah.
And then the good bacteria, or the bacteria that theoretically would be in your intestines then, or is in the poop, then comes out.
It helps cure infection stuff that you have in there. Now, some people are saying, well, I've had certain infections and certain medicine, antibiotics that they've given me hasn't helped, but this has worked.
Well, apparently for these kind of like infections, there's a very expensive there's lots of expensive and invasive treatments, and hey, this sounds like a better way, but it's not really like you're eating poop.
You're not eating. You're not going to the washroom and pooping it out. And
right.
Here you take this with 8-ounce glasses of water. No, it's not like that. They're breaking it down.
Hot dog bun and putting a log on there.
It wouldn't even last in a hot dog bun unless it's really hard.
Well, maybe not.
It's no. But I mean, this is a big time breakthrough. Where they can fix fecal matter.
Well, it's kind
of turn it into a pill form for you. I mean, really, when you think about it, you're taking your. I don't know why I'm laughing. You're taking your, someone in your family, who's healthy. You're taking their excretions and basically, and they're sending it to a lab.
Yeah. And
it's being broken down into what you need, and then you take it, and it makes you better.
Right.
Very interesting.
Right. Well,
there's got to be another way.
It's a good. People talk about alternative treatments, and it's an alternative treatment, and it's in a way it's very green. It's very organic.
Organic is a good way. It's straight out of your system.
Healthy bacteria from somebody else's really poop, and pop it in you, and it gets you going.
And this is not public like that. It's basically, high tech type thing. I guess you got to have the money to do it. I guess. I don't know. I don't know. I'm not saying this isn't a breakthrough in technology, but it's like, man, isn't there something else we could do besides, take our relatives' poop and swallow it?
I don't know. Like I said, it can't be any worse than eating Lou Malnati's pizza. That's just my opinion, though.
I know you told me a long time ago you don't like that pizza.
Yeah.
I don't.
It goes right through me, too.
So actually, if someone in your family gets sick, you can just eat some pizza And then they can take your fecal matter
Yeah.
and send out to a lab.
Here we go.
I hope someone in your family does not get sick.
Yeah. Thanks.
You're welcome. And that's one to grow on.
Thanks for listening to the John and Lanisha Show.